Alright guys, so we're just checked in everything. I'm just gonna have my food right now that I got from Scotchies. Ordered pork and rice and peas. And yeah, so the place seems pretty okay. It looks exactly like the pictures and it's clean. That's the most important thing, that it's clean. I'm gonna just finish eat and rest up because the first event that we have is I Love Soca. And we're probably gonna go there around 9:30 thereabouts. We're 10 minutes away from the location. If you guys like the Airbnb, I will add a link down below. It can be rented. You can book it on Airbnb for as 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. There's a 3rd bedroom upstairs that has a balcony. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna finish eat right here, and I'll catch you guys later when it's time to get ready.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
Hey guys, so I'm ready to leave out. We're running late. Well, we're not really late, but we want to leave out and get to the party early. I'm gonna show you guys a full fit. Huh? Okay guys, here's a full fit. And I can't wait. Full fit guys. This mirror is just short.
I don't want you to capture your friends. This is going to be an Instagrammable moment. I love soca. Brilliant. Yeah, man. All right, ladies, talk to me. Everybody! Oh, you don't care what your haters have to say. Put your middle fingers up right now. You leave here tonight, you have no voice left.
Guys, another day, another event. I'm gonna show you guys a full fit. I tried to do a get ready with me today, but I was running late and that was so impossible to do. But let's go outside and show you guys a full fit. This is a day breakfast party we're going right now. Here's a full fit. Yep, we're ready to go. With a brain at 9 again, because I come from a housing scheme with a big dream, and I mean was just a billion miles. What's up guys? It is literally day 2 and I am exhausted. Day 2, 2 parties, going to the 3rd one right now, and I'm seriously exhausted. It really shows that a party weekend no longer works for me. But we're going to Milk and Honey tonight. It's like a very fashionable thingy. I'm racing. I haven't got to talk to you guys because I'm in and out, and then I'm having space problem. I forgot the cord to connect from my phone to my laptop, so I'm trying to I use CapCut to edit. So I'm trying to upload the stuff then to the space. So you have like a space or like a cloud type of base where you can upload it in CapCut, and then once I upload it from my phone in the CapCut cloud-ish, if you may call it, I can access that on my laptop because I have the CapCut desktop on it. So I'm trying to do that, but where I am, the signal doesn't pick up strong. I'm having poor signal. I only have 2 bars of signal in this house, in this community where we're at. Also, you guys know I can't connect to Wi-Fi on my phone, so that is another issue. So everything is just moving slowly. Space is a problem. This vlog is going to be very small, internet, limited, and that. But we're gonna get ready, and then after that, show you guys a full fit, and that's it. Tomorrow is Sunday. We have our last party tomorrow, which is a beach party, and then we're heading up back to Kingston on Monday. So that is the plan. We're gonna finish getting ready, gonna start playing back my music, and yeah, see you guys when I'm done getting dressed. Alright guys, I am ready to go. This is the fit. You guys can't really see it. Let me go here. Yeah.
Blinds wide open so he can't Blinds wide open so he can't see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Naked body, fresh out the shower, and you touch yourself after hours.
Golden rubbers in these denim pockets. On my way.
Ladies, if you see an ex-boyfriend in Milk and Honey with a new ugly girlfriend, what you do? Bitch! One time when cause you can't get out when down the gate. I'm not first time. Who the girl to who you want? Who do I get at them? All the matter can make them friends. So you don't know you are your man. Milk and Honey. Milk and Honey. Jump and shut up, girl, you want it. You want the mind. My first time.
We are on to our last event for this mini vacation, guys. The only thing that I've been doing is videoing partially what I'm getting ready and just show you guys a few clips of the party. This vlog is just a party vlog and all over the place. My space is very limited, so I don't even get a chance to sit and talk to y'all about anything really. Yeah, but I'm tired. It should show you my face. We're heading to our last event for this. Well, we are going to, there's 2 more events left, but today's Sunday and we're leaving Monday morning. So this is our last event that we're attending, and it's a beach party. So yeah, and the theme is nude, or welcome to Tulum. Tulum vibe type of vibe. You know, Tulum and nude vibes you give. Yeah, you gotta be in the nude colors, the browns, the shades of browns, like all of that. So this is what I'm working with. It's a cowboy fit, and yeah, just this. This is what I'm working with. I'm gonna head out. The battery is low, so y'all know I don't know if this is the last of the vlog. I appreciate you guys for watching this crazy fun party vlog. If this is the last time you see me, love y'all. Thanks for the support. If not, I'll see you guys probably Monday when we're leaving out. But toodles.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you ask